Good day, everyone. I am Gabriel Salinas from BEd 1B. Today, I'll be reporting rhythm. So, what is rhythm, you might ask? Rhythm involves repetition of elements or objects in art, music, and poetry to create patterns and movement. Musical rhythm is the measure of time between sounds, while poetry uses words, sounds, or phrases to create rhythmic patterns. So in music rhythm is created ano, by beat, meter, tempo, that kana silang mga types of things. So poetry naman, poet in poetry, rhythm is created by limbic pentameter, free verse, So in every day of our life, rhythm is present in our speech pattern, the way we walk, and even the natural world. For example, the beating of our hearts and the waves crashing on the shore. So rhythmic patterns are everywhere. So let's proceed to visual rhythm. Visual rhythm seen in repetition of positive and negative spaces in visual arts like shelves of books or cars in a parking lot. It stimulates movement, perception, and differs from object from object action. So cars in a parking lot. Bakit siya kabilang sa visual rhythm? So when cars are parked in a row, their shapes, colors, and sizes create a repeating pattern. This repetition is a fundamental element of visual rhythm. So think of it like a musical composition. The cars are like individual notes, and the arrangement of the parking lot is like a melody. The repetition of the repetition and arrangement of the cars create a visual rhythm that is both pleasing and interesting to look at. So, what is the positive and negative spaces? So, the positive and negative spaces are those. The positive is the canoe, and the negative spaces are the backgrounds and the spaces of the backgrounds. That's what we call the negative space and the positive space. So as you can see the example from the top right of your screen, you can see the example. So you see those teardrop looking pictures from the example. The teardrops has a little space. So that is negative space. And the positive space are the teardrops. So to fully understand what is positive and negative space is, positive space is refers to the areas occupied by the actual element within the composition. The figures, the shape, or objects that are the subject of the artwork, and its field it it the f- it fills space containing the visual information you see. The negative space, on the other hand, is the empty space that surrounds the positive space. The unfilled area that defines the form of the positive space is often overlooked at by but equal importance in creating visual rhythm. So let's move on to pattern. Pattern refers to the application of rhythm in two-dimensional space like clothing designs with examples such as vertical or horizontal stripes. Motifs are units of elements repeated in patterns serving both decorative and fundamental purposes. So, siguro naman alam na natin kung ano tong pattern. So, as you can see from the right side of your screen, you can see an image of red, blue, green, and yellow. And sa katabi niya, meron din siyang blue, green, yellow, and red hanggang sa pababa. So that's what we call pattern. Why? A pattern is a repeating element, structure, or arrangement in design, system, or process. Sa design, katulad ng katulad ng stripes. So that's pattern, no? What else? Stripes. So other patterns like shapes, ganun. Like kagaya ng sa example sa picture, that is pattern. Paulit-ulit lang yung design niya kagaya nung una. Parang ganyan, yung apat na color. Kung ano yung nasa una, yun yung susundin nila. Pattern. So let's proceed to types of rhythm and pattern. So we got random. Random characterized by the lack of regularity in space seen in photography of fallen leaves or in random place or random cracks on the wall. So as you can see on the top right of your screen, we got an example of random. So why is it random? It's random because of the elements na hindi sila magkaparehas palagi. Hindi sila magkaparehas palagi. Palaging may iba-iba. Iba yung shapes niya, iba yung sizes niya. So, ganun. So, to fully understand what is random, so, when we say random, no? Random in Tagalog means walang pinipili. So, for example, in a classroom, I select you as a random person to read on the board. So, that's random because I randomly select you as a participant so you can read on the board. So that's random. So a random pattern in art is a bit of a paradox. The word random implies a lack of structure, the lack of order and or structure, while the pattern suggested a recurring element or arrangement. So how can both be random and patterned? So here's an example of one. So the illusion of randomness, controlled chaos. The artist might use techniques that appears random but actually carefully controlled. They might throw paint, dripping splatter, or flinging paint can create unpredictable shapes and textures, but the artist controls the amount of paint, the distance, and the surface it lands on. So let's proceed to regular pattern. So regular pattern have identical beats, motifs, and even space intervals, creating a steady beat across motifs, commonly in organized patterns like parking space or groceries. So as you can see from the right side of your screen, I got a example of a regular pattern. So as you can see, sa the left side of your bottom screen, sa left side, meron siyang pataas. Tapos sa ibabaw niya naman, meron siyang pagilid. Hanggang sa paulit-ulit lang yan. So, regular pattern. Walang nag-iiba, simple lang na regular lang siya. Kung ano yung isa, ganun din. Ganun, paulit-ulit lang. That's regular pattern. So, sa progressive naman, the progressive pattern shows a change in beat with each repetition, with a steady and slight difference between each beat. For example, shapes may increase in size or change from a square to a circle. So, kagaya nito. Itong sa example. Yung una niyan, maliit pa siya. Pero nag-progress siya palaki ng palaki ng palaki ng palaki. So, that's progressive. Kagaya ng other examples of progressive is beat pa rin. So, when you hear a beat from the intro, you hear it as a slow beat, as relaxing beat. Pero as the music gets longer, the beat starts to go up, increasing every time. So that's progressive. So this is my report. Thank you for listening.